Okay, the latest details on the Samsung Galaxy S26 series just dropped, and it looks like a monster upgrade is coming. We're talking a new lineup structure, a massive ultra camera bump, and a total AI overhaul. Here is latest recent drops about the Galaxy S26 Pro, Plus, Edge, and the beastly Ultra. Let's start with the lineup and its display sizes, because there's a shift here. The new roster is rumored to include 4 models. The Galaxy S26 Pro base, coming in at 6.27 inches, the Galaxy S26 Plus at 6.7 inches, the Galaxy S26 Edge also at 6.7 inches, and the top-tier Galaxy S26 Ultra stretching out to a big 6.9 inches. Now, all eyes are on the Ultra, and the specs are looking impressive. On the software side, expect a total refresh. The Ultra is set to launch running OneUI 8.5 on top of Android 16. The biggest news in the software, however, is the integration of Perplexity AI, which points to a huge focus on new powerful AI features baked right into the phone's core functions. Under the hood, this phone will be a true powerhouse. The hardware is headlined by the next-generation chip, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. Powering all of that is a rumored 5,400 mAh battery, which is a welcome increase. And when it comes to charging, you're looking at blazing fast 60-watt fast charging and the introduction of the new Qi 2 charging standard for wireless power. Finally, let's talk about the camera, which is often the star. The key detail here is a massive 200-megapixel main camera, and what's really interesting is the physical hardware. It will feature a super-wide f1.4 aperture. That's a serious lens upgrade, promising stunning low-light performance and incredible detail. So the takeaway is clear. The Galaxy S26 series, particularly the Ultra, is shaping up to be a significant leap forward in power, charging, and camera tech. This isn't just an iterative update, it's a complete shift. What feature are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for all the latest breaking tech news. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.